Alright, so greetings from Pennsylvania once again. It's October 9th. I'm here with a bunch of friends that you should recognize. Where are they? They're back there. Dee Dee, Explorers, Kathy from Rustic Ventures, and Journey with Jay are back there. Of course, as usual, I'll probably have links to their channels down below, but we are at the Fieldstone Farm Preserve. I think we've all been here before. I was here last summer for the first time. It's early Saturday morning yet, I gotta wake up. But yeah. But one thing we're here to see, we all seen the ruins here before, but apparently there's a waterfall up this way too that all of us have been here before, but none of us have ever been to the waterfall. So we're gonna see if we can find that today too. Yeah, so here's a map of the place. There's parking here, and the ruins of the home are up here. If you see my previous video, it's a pretty cool stone ruins. And apparently up past the pond here, probably on state game lands, there's a waterfall. So, beautiful day to check it out.
So,
oh, there's Dee Dee.
hey, Cliff, come here. There's a book. We can sign it. I didn't notice it last time I was there.
But the fall colors are beautiful this morning. The drive up was amazing. Kinds of yellows and reds and goldens. Or yellows. So it's just a little bit of a walk up from the parking lot. I think I see the clearing up here where the ruins are. Beautiful, beautiful old stone ruins. And hopefully a waterfall. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful fall morning. Alright, well here she is. Our old friend. Remember the first time I came here. Beautiful, beautiful old ruins. I do need to say too that I do have channel sticker number 35 with me today. Get out of my pocket. Here we go. Channel sticker number 35. I haven't labeled it yet, but I'm gonna place that somewhere here, nearby these ruins. Channel sticker number 35, Fieldstone Farm Preserve. You see Jay walking up to it for some comparison there. I think that'd be the front door. I like these little nooks. Beautiful old ruins. There goes Dee Dee. The old fireplace over there. Alright, let's just quick take a walk along the outside here. The building. Yeah, we were just up there by the front door, just coming down to the back side. Yeah, last time I was here, I took another trail up this way. I took a trail up along the creek instead. Came up, saw the house from this way first. Some old steps. Yeah, I came up these steps actually, I remember. Yeah, this is all this side. This side is a little bit of graffiti, but yeah, beautiful place.
Hey, Cliff!
Hey!
Oh, there's Dee Dee over there.
Ah, Cliff.
That's the livestock,
Yeah, here you got the fireplace. Cool. Obviously it's not a terribly old building because it's got steel in the fireplace there.
very nice.
Some looks like tile up there. It's probably a bathroom up there. Looks like there's steps over here too. Yeah. Electrical pipes. Beautiful. I know it's ruins, but there's always a beauty to these old ruins. Yeah, here we go. These steps. Yeah. Well, there's a fire here. Once you can see the logs are burned, charred. There's ones up there too. Alright, now at the top of these steps, I'm going to place channel sticker number 35. Got it right here. Got it labeled now. So you come up, this is all in the back side of the building. These steps here, and just off in the corner here is a whole bunch of like leaves and debris. I'm gonna bury it back here. It's like pretty deep with stuff back here. And we're gonna put it back there, cover it up, throw some more leaves on there. That's where channel sticker number 35 is. Alright, I'll share channel sticker number 31 with you. That one was found. That was the one I placed at the Lost Children of the Alleghenies Monument. His name is Mike. He found that one. I know a number of people went looking for that one, but he actually got there before sunrise to claim that one. So some of these stickers go pretty quickly. People get out there pretty early to get them. So I'll go ahead and share his picture with you right now. And channel sticker number 32 and mug number 2 were found, but I'll share that in another video. I couldn't find their names this morning. I was looking for their picture again, but I want to make sure I mention their names, so I'll share that picture in another video. But those were found. So, all right, let's keep exploring this place. Like I said, in a little bit we'll check out where that waterfall is. Yeah, just another beautiful view of the ruins, and looking through the branches and stuff. Beautiful spot, actually. I think they're heading off to find the waterfall, so yeah. It's just always so beautiful how nature just kind of takes back. Alright, so we're making our way to the waterfall. Kathy noticed a mushroom up here. She thinks it's a chicken mushroom, so we're gonna find out on camera if it is.
Alright.
Well, what kind of chicken?
Chicken of the woods.
No, not chicken of the woods.
Uh-oh. What is it?
Well, I guess that's what some people call it, but it's a sulfur chicken because it's a sulfur color.
A sulfur?
Yeah, there's white chickens and then there's sulfur chickens.
So that's not the edible kind, or?
Yeah, you can eat it. But it doesn't have gills underneath. That's the big way you can tell. It's just pores.
So the chicken of the woods have gills underneath?
Depends what you consider chicken of the woods to be. See, there's something called hen of the woods. Some people call it chicken of the woods, but some people call this chicken of the woods. So that's why it gets confusing.
Okay.
Whoops, I let it fall. Yeah, still making our way down. Yeah, there's an old spring house down there too. Down there's the pond. Not sure if we'll check out the spring house or not. It is wet back here. A lot more wet than last time. We've had a lot of rain recently, so if we do find that waterfall, it should be flowing pretty good. Actually, yeah, I think that was the swimming pool over there, and the pond is down below. I think that's how it works. Let's just quick go over there, maybe, if we can. I mean, there's a waterfall over here. This is not the waterfall we're looking for, but Still pretty impressive. And up here is the old spring house. Let's go quick check it out since we're here. There she be. Still filled with water. Alright. Let's say goodbye to the spring house. Catch up with everybody else. A cool feature there though. Alright, so we are down along the creek now. And up that way should be a waterfall. They're making their way down. Right there, that's the pond right up there. It's kind of like the dam breast. And just some more like stone walls back this way. There's kind of a trail right here. I guess I'll just keep following this. Beautiful stream, though. Beautiful day. We gotta get across here. Well, this is not the waterfall, but I like that one. The one we're looking for, I can see up ahead, up through the trees up there. Actually, it is pretty cool. Looks like there's different levels to it. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's another section over there too. Oh yeah, wow. There's a lot to this one. I mean, it's, well, let's just wait till we get closer to see all of it. There's a lot of different aspects to this waterfall. Yeah, so it goes up that way. There's a pretty cool section up there, but it goes up there. I see stuff over there, pouring down over here. We make our way over here. There's a larger waterfall over there. Even all these little ones are just amazing how they come. There's one, of course you can see kind of over there, you can see the bigger one. We'll get over there. And it's all the way up there too. Amazing place. Keep making our way over. Oh yeah, there's the, oh man, we gotta get down below to see this one. You can kind of see the, going down. Yeah, so we were just up there, you can kind of see Jay. But over here, we made our way down. And over here is what I would call the main falls. Man, check that out. so there's a side view. Man, goes up past Jay, all the way up there. There's stuff, water flowing out. Yeah, so we were just over there filming up that way. That's like the beautiful main falls, but there's also all these other little ones that are pretty cool too, all along the side here. So I think I'm gonna go this way. Looks like some are starting to head back. Got Kathy and Dee Dee and Jay down there. I'm gonna see if I can make my way across that way. Not slipping. So it is really slippery up here if you do come here yourself. Just keep that in mind. At least today it is. I mean, the main falls are beautiful, but these are just, these little trickles just coming out of the rocks. Pretty awesome too. Make our way over to the last one. Yes, there's looking back the way we came. Everybody else is down there already, so I think that's where I'll head. Maybe I'll go, I might actually go up this way instead of going down all these rocks. Yes, a beautiful spot up here. When they mentioned waterfall, well, none of us were at this waterfall before, but I don't think none of us were expecting this. Of course, you could go up further. We're not going to do that today. Who knows? I might come back here sometime again, go up to the top, but we do have some other places to film today, and it rained this morning, so the rocks are a lot slippery today, or slippy, put it that way. But yeah, it's a beautiful spot. If you ever come to the Fieldstone Farm Preserve, just come up the creek a little bit more, and boom. Sorry, and maybe when it's drier, you might not have all these little waterfalls flowing. But yeah. Amazing little spot. Ruins and waterfalls. Good combination. Great combination. And then just like that, we're back at the ruins. Beautiful old stone ruins. Of course, remember channel sticker 35 is up those steps there. Tucked away up in there. Go through it one more time here. Ruins, waterfalls, ruins. And just one last look. Come back this way. Alright, so that'll be it then. We're on our way to the next location, which I'm not sure where we're headed this one. Kathy found a place like on Google Maps that we're going to check out. So it's kind of like a, in high school at lunches you had mystery meat. That's what this is going to be, mystery adventure. So it may not be nothing, we'll see. I think later today we're going to head down to Devil's Hole as well, so it should be a fun day. As always, thanks for coming along, and I'll see you in the next video.